Guys, okay, today we're gonna continue with the thermostat housing replacement, the oil filter gasket replacement with the upper lower hoses for the overflow tank, the coolant overflow tank, and finally I found a way to take this fan and the shrouds out because I've been struggling. Even buying the special tools didn't help me. So let's go, let's start. Finally, I got it out, the thermostat housing and the lower hose. The new coolant sensor. Just gonna install it now so I don't lose it. So T50 to loosen the belt tensioner. This is out, and then the other side, it's this right here. It has a cover, pop it out. This is the cover. Check this out. Oh wow. Yeah, definitely need replacement. Seems good from the outside, but the inside, no. Yeah. Alright, let me go grab some belts really quick so we can replace them as well. Okay, I got the belts, but I need just to match the part number and see if they are fits for my car. And I got these two from AutoZone for $85. I just looked online and I found two for $27. So it's gonna be about like 30 something dollars, 31, 32. I'm gonna buy these, and these going back to AutoZone actually. That's too much money, I can buy something else. Alright guys, I'm so sorry, my other phone battery died and ran out of juice. So I'm recording with this the second phone I have, and I'm sorry the quality's gonna drop a little bit, but I got it out. Look, got it out. Yeah, I don't see any leaks, and seems like this is just dirty because this is look like the pancake looking thing. Now I don't see any leaks on it or fresh leaks or anything. This is what we need. This is the gasket. This is the gasket that we need to replace. We need to change. Yeah, it seems it's kind of good from a couple of spots, but right here, no, it's not good. Here's not good. Here's not good. But it's not leaking. It's fine. All right, let's go change it real quick. You're gonna clean it up, clean that as well, and get everything back together. All right, I just covered it, so I just want to clean up some of this over here, some of that dirt and mess. Yeah, my cleanup really didn't do that much, but I just cleaned up the edges up from the oil and stuff like that. All right, let's go replace the gasket. Start taking it out. I got the new one. Right, now it's in. Make sure it's all the way in and not gonna come out. Okay, let's go put it back. And we're done. Putting it back in. All right, let me bolt it real quick. Right, it's in. Now we come to the oil line. We need to take these washers out. We got the new ones over here. It's right here. As you can see, the washer should be, focus. Washer should be at the end of the bolt, and one on this side. All right, let me tighten it real quick. All right, it's tight. Now we get longer. Let's make it best over here. The longer cable goes up here. Right. Now let's get the power steering pump up. Power steering pump on. Long screw in the back. Short screw from the front. The shortest screw right here where I'm tapping at. The shortest screw, it's right here. 13 mil as well. Now let's get the alternator and put it back in. Okay, so this is what happened. I had to bang on this to push it in a little bit. As you can see, I had to push it in a little bit so I can be able to get it in. Let me connect the cable and the ground. Put everything back. Now let's get the reservoir back. It's 2 screws, 2 bolts. No. Found it. Okay, now the thermostats and the new hoses. Let me just try to see if they're gonna. I have to make sure they fit perfect. Oh, let me clean up the housing really quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and use these actually. I don't think it's the same size. It's not the same size. This is the new one. It's bigger. I'm gonna go return the belts, but let me connect the upper hose and the coolant overflow reservoir and get all that done, and then just gonna go get return them to AutoZone and order belts online and have to wait for them. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. All right, I got the overflow tank. Got the sensor over here. It's brand new. Everything is good. Let's go ahead. And I broke this. Alright guys, I'm so sorry. I thought my camera was recording, but actually it was not recording. So, changed the belts, and it's brand new ones. Alright, so I changed the belts, the new ones, put them in. They fit perfectly. Everything's fine. Okay, so I used the paint filter to get the old oil to this gallon, and I'm gonna use another filter over here so I can use the oil. All right, let's put the oil back. All right, start having a small leak. No, this is not. This is at the bottom. It's over here. I put the bucket so I can see if there is any leaks. Cleaned up everything, and it's still leaking. So this is where it's leaking from. This is a waste of coolant. I should have just tried with water first to see if I have any leaks, so I don't lose coolant. And I don't see it dripping from any hoses, or from the reservoir itself, or from the bottom hose, or from the radiator, like the outputs. I don't see any leaks, but it seems like it's this right here. I don't know. Did I forget something? Alright, I'm gonna check it out tomorrow. Check it out tomorrow and see. Right, so I have the leak, and I couldn't find. It's not really leak. It's like dripping, like this much for 2 days. It's really just drops, and I can't find it, which I believe it's leaking from this right here. So it's dripping, and this is for 2 days. It's like seriously drops, and I can't find where that drop's coming from. It's not really that bad leaking. It just drops. I checked everywhere and I can't find it. Alright, so what's going on? So this is what happened. So I changed my mind, and I replaced the coolant overflow tank and the mount, and of course all the hoses, sensors, and everything. But not all the hoses, actually. The upper hose, lower hose that connects to the thermostat housing, and it's still leaking. Still leaking badly. So I don't know what's going on. So my brother just actually noticed the hose that goes in the back. I don't know if I can show you right now. Okay, so let me see if I can show you. So I replaced everything in the coolant system, but not. I don't know if I can see it. Give me a second over here. Yeah, I don't think I can show you. It's the hose that at the bottom that goes to the motor. I don't know what kind of hose is that, what it called, but actually that's what was leaking, and because of that, it's leaking badly. So this is where I'm at now. I finished everything, and I just can't see where's that leaks come from until my brother came and noticed that leak and where it came from. So he told me just to replace that hose, and just to see after that what's gonna happen, if it's gonna still leak, or not. This is where I'm at. I'm so tired, to be honest, of this car. I invested a lot of money on it. I'm trying just to fix this coolant leak issue, and then I'm just gonna let it go. And I still have the bank 1 sensor, oxygen 1, bank 1, and I replaced it with a brand new one, and I still have the same coat. It's not disappearing at all. It's a brand new. So I'm gonna order bank 2, and hopefully that can fix the issue. And so someone told me, it was like, hey, sometimes the code's gonna show as bank 1, but actually both sensors are gonna be bad, so I need to replace them both at the same time. I replaced one already, so I have to order the bank 2 sensor, and we'll see. Alright, so this is where I'm at now, and as you see, the mirror cover over here is missing because I towed the car to my family house and I lost it on the way here. I don't know how, but I lost it. So I'm gonna post this video because it's getting longer. The video is getting longer, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna record it as well and post another video when I finish the whole thing, and then I'm gonna wash it, clean the inside, maybe just do a little bit of detailing on it, and then take pictures, make sure everything alright, note everything, and list it for sale. Alright, I'm gonna keep you updated with the process. Alright, thank you so much, guys.